The Mavic 3 Pro has just been released, which means that we have went out and bought another Mavic 3. Why? Well, I'm going to tell you. Hey everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. It's great to see you again and thanks for joining. So we went out and bought another Mavic 3 even though the Mavic 3 Pro has just been released. Now the Mavic 3 is not down in price, even though it's been discontinued by DJI. You can't buy it from the DJI store, but there are other stores that are selling the DJI Mavic 3 which you can actually buy it from. And they're not reduced in price, so it's not like they're cheaper, but they're still full price. So why are we buying them? Well, it's really simple. Because of the C1 certification, this is a very good drone to fly in these areas. So the Mavic 3 Pro comes under the C2 certification, which makes things a little bit more difficult. So with the Mavic 3, obviously we have the zoom on there, which gives a little bit more value because the Classic is still available in the DJI store. But we wanted to have the Mavic 3 with the zoom, so that's why we got the Mavic 3, and we'll probably buy more if we can find any more, because I've been hunting and I managed to find one at least. I know we have a couple more in Germany as well. So that is why the Mavic 3 is still a very good drone, even though it is now been discontinued. So if you're in Europe and you really want to buy a drone, the Mavic 3 is still a good drone to have. So make sure you think about what you're buying, because maybe the Mavic 3 Pro is not the best drone for you, even though it seems like a great drone, because it's going to have its limitations. And we'll talk about that when we get a Mavic 3 Pro, because we don't have one yet. And when we get one, we will talk about it. But until then, I need to go and open this up and get it certified for the C1 certification so we can fly it. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video, and as always, fly safe. That new drone smell.